Hi everybody, this is Eliana Marzan, and I wanted to share with you two projects that I made using the Our Daily Bread Designs totes. And this is the purse that I have shown you a couple times in the videos, and bear with me with the shaky because I am using my phone today. But isn't this cute? So what I did was I used the Graphic 45 curtain call. I had approximately 3 sheets of it, and here I added some bling on the top here. And I distressed it with some black ink, and I made sure I closed this side here, and I cut one of the little cut parts here and here, and I try to make this one look a little more musical with the whole Louis Armstrong and jazz. Then this one here, I was given the card caddy die cut from our Daily Bread, and it is so freaking cute. And if you use the 110-pound cardstock, it's very durable, and it would make really cute Christmas gifts or like teacher gifts. Fill it up with some candies, a little present, some Bath and Body Works soaps. It measures about 5 3/4 from the top up and down. And I think it's about 4. I don't have the measurements with me now, but I will make you guys a tutorial if you do have it. But yeah, I used the current call for this side too. I made this side the more cinema side. And here's the back, as you can see. I just wanted to kind of like give you a glimpse of what I've been working on, so not to be so MIA. And it is about... we're going about 11 o'clock at night here in Florida, so we don't have very good lighting. But I just wanted to show you what I've made and what I've been creating. And I really like these purses. I mean, you have got to get your hands on some of these. They make great gifts. It's definitely worth getting. But yeah, stay tuned for my tutorials. I did have a tutorial already on the timeless tote. And then the next one will be for the card caddy. And definitely, you can definitely fit cards in here. But thank you for watching. Thank you. And have a great night. Bye.